Hello, this is Kyle with Indiana Kayak Fishing Journal. Today I want to show you guys some footage of the first fish that I caught in 2016. But before I do that, what I want to do is give you guys a tip that has helped me tremendously while I've been trolling for fish for my kayak. So when I first started trolling for fish for my kayak, what would happen a lot of times is I would get a fish on and I'd immediately go to grab the rod, and by the time I got it into my hands, the fish would already be gone. So one of the things that I've learned to do while trolling is when you get a fish on a rod, make sure that before you go to grab the rod, you take a couple hard paddle strokes on both sides of your boat before you go to grab the rod. Now what this is going to do is it's going to keep your kayak moving forward, and it's going to keep pressure on the fish while you're trying to get the rod into your hands and start fighting the fish. So this tip has greatly increased my success while trolling, and I know it'll work for you guys too. So without further ado, here's my first fish of 2016.